Join me as I dive deep into the world of Btog stocks and try to uncover the best investment strategies right now. When it comes to stock analysis, few companies are as fascinating as Btog, and today, we're going to take a closer look at what's driving its stock prices and what it means for investors. The current market conditions are creating a perfect storm for Btog, with rising competition and regulatory changes affecting its stock performance. The company is facing stiff competition from its peers, and the recent slump in its stock price is a clear indication of the challenges it's facing. The market is highly volatile, and it's becoming increasingly difficult for Btog to navigate these treacherous waters. Another major concern is the changing regulatory landscape, which is forcing Btog to rethink its business strategy. The company needs to adapt quickly to these changes if it wants to stay ahead of the curve. The recent news about Btog's efforts to diversify its product offerings is a step in the right direction, but it's still unclear how this will affect its bottom line. Moreover, the company's high valuation multiples are making it difficult for investors to justify its stock price. The market is waiting with bated breath for Btog to announce its quarterly earnings, and any negative surprises could send its stock price tumbling further. Despite these challenges, Btog still has a lot going for it, and its strong brand recognition is a major asset. The company has a loyal customer base, and its products are still highly sought after. However, it needs to address its operational inefficiencies and reduce its costs if it wants to stay competitive. In addition to these internal challenges, Btog is also facing external headwinds, including a slowing economy and rising interest rates. The company needs to be nimble and adapt quickly to these changes if it wants to stay ahead of its peers. One thing is certain, though, the next few quarters will be crucial for Btog, and investors will be watching its every move closely. Moving on to the financial health of the company, Btog's latest earnings report was a mixed bag, with some positives and negatives. While the company's revenue growth was impressive, its profit margins were underwhelming. The high operating expenses are a major concern, and the company needs to find ways to reduce its costs without sacrificing its growth prospects. One positive takeaway, however, is the company's strong cash position, which gives it the flexibility to make strategic investments. The recent news about Btog's partnerships with other companies is a positive development, and it could lead to new revenue streams. However, the company needs to be careful not to sacrifice its margins in pursuit of growth. The market is watching Btog's moves closely, and any missteps could be punished severely. Expert opinions about Btog's future are mixed, with some analysts predicting a turnaround and others forecasting further declines. While it's difficult to predict the future, one thing is certain: Btog needs to execute its strategy flawlessly if it wants to regain investor confidence. In my opinion, this is a critical moment for Btog and its investors. The company needs to take decisive action to address its challenges, and investors need to be careful about their investment decisions. While there are risks involved, there are also opportunities for those who are willing to take a long-term view. The next few months will be crucial for Btog, and it's essential to stay tuned to its developments. Based on my analysis, I believe that Btog's stock has the potential to rebound in the long term, but it's essential to approach with caution. The company needs to execute its strategy flawlessly, and investors need to be patient and disciplined in their investment approach. The key takeaway from my analysis is that Btog's stock is not for the faint-hearted. It's a high-risk, high-reward investment opportunity that requires careful consideration. However, with the right approach, it could lead to significant returns for investors. That's it for today's analysis of Btog stock. I hope you found it informative and insightful. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other video on stock analysis, where we dive deeper into the world of finance. Thanks for watching.